So, hi guys, my name is Desire, and this is my first ever YouTube video. I'm very excited, and on this channel, I will be posting vlogs, prank wars, probably cooking videos, and lots and lots and lots and lots of vlogs. And I cannot wait to do Vlogmas. And also, I have a best friend, and make sure to go subscribe to her channel. Her channel is Trinity Smith. So yeah, make sure to go subscribe to her down below. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get right on with the video.
Just answer all of this.
Come on.
Look back.
Explain.
Go girl, work.
Yes, could you tell me if you sell dread hair for the
Let me kiss your lips.